Hi everybody, welcome to another amazing Amazon product review. Did you miss me last week? I know I wasn't able to upload a video. I switched my phones, and when I was in the process of transferring one video or the videos that I had shoot for last week, I found out that they were all corrupted and I couldn't edit, I couldn't upload. So I'm gonna make sure I make up for you. And I also wanted to try something a little bit different, a little bit more vlogish, I would say. So I decided to wait till this week because we are putting our Halloween yard decoration, and I decided to just vlog this process and make sure you continue watching because we have some great products I got from Amazon decoration, blow ups, and they're not too scary, more like cute than scary, but hey, let's give it a try, this vlogging thing, and I hope that you enjoy it. So let's take a look at the products that I got for today. So here is all the products that we got that we're going to decorate our yard with. And I am so pressed because I never really had a big yard to decorate. And I can't wait to see how that's gonna look like. So I have to show this. We are collecting and breaking down our pool for the summer, for the year pretty much. So bye bye pool. And it was like you have to put baby powder so it doesn't stick. So it's like a So we're gonna be starting with the Halloween dead tree with a pumpkin. It's 9 feet tall. It has lights in it. Chance.
Mommy, you can't see me. Hello.
Go get the other box too, Pooh.
Hold on, wait, I can't get the sticks out. Can you get the sticks out while I'm going to the other box?
There's only one more. This is the one that comes in and out. I think you should try to put it in there. Yeah, man, let's bring it right now. Here, Mama, the sticks. So this one is the last one.
And these are the sticks.
This one is the last one, and this is the coolest one because the ghost comes in and out of the pumpkin. It's gonna look so cool.
It's so hot. Sticks. You put it like this. You find the white hole and put it through the hole and push it. Ta-da! Trick or treat. Ooh.
decided that we're gonna put them closer to the house because we can really see them.
Ghost.
Be a little better. There you go. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. So we finally finished decorating our yard, and as you can see, it looked really great. So we are super excited. It's so pretty out here with the leaves falling. It's like super fallish, and I love fall. Look at that. Ah, it's a rain of leaves from the sky. Look at that. Oh, it feels so good. I'm gonna show you the final result, the final decoration, and I hope you enjoyed watching us decorating our yard and listen for you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. So I put one decoration all the way over there in our mailbox, and then Layla put most of the ones over here. Then you can see our decorations from the driveway. Let's just put that one pumpkin over there. Put it out here. And there they are. Oh no! He fell. Let's put it up. And that's it. Now my house is ready for Halloween. I hope I get some trick-or-treaters this year.